Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make 豚バラとネギのお味噌汁。It's just a simple miso soup, but with some pork in it. It's very rich and hearty. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with the miso soup. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Negi, Japanese leek. I'm using 2. 200 grams of pork. It's shabu-shabu style, paper-thin slices. 4 tablespoons of miso paste. 2 teaspoons of hondashi, instant Japanese soup stock. And 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. As always, let's do all the cutting first. Negi into thin diagonal slices. Same for the other one. Let's just put it aside. And pork. It's very thinly sliced, but one slice is a bit too long. So let's cut it into short pieces. I'm cooking the pork first, so heat up the pot. No oil needed. Fat will come out from the pork. Once the pork is almost cooked, let's add Japanese leek. Both pork and leek are well cooked. Let's add 3 cups of water. And hondashi. Give it a stir. Let's bring it to boil. It's about to boil and you start to see some scum coming up. So let's remove it. These foamy scum. And it's time to add the miso paste. I'm using this miso strainer so that I can make sure the miso is completely dissolved and I don't have any chunk of miso in the soup bowl. You can use small spider or tea strainer. Miso in the strainer, dunk it and push it out. All dissolved. Right after you add the miso, kill the heat immediately and add the sesame oil. Give it a stir. And it's done. Serve in the soup bowl. And 豚バラとネギの味噌汁 smelling so good. It's ready to go. Time for the tasting. You can sip the soup straight from the bowl. Let's have some ingredients. I like miso soup with vegetables only, but some pork makes the whole soup so rich and flavorful. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. 豚バラとネギの味噌汁 goes here, and let's have エビとしめじの炊き込みご飯 here. These 2 dishes contain enough protein, so let's pass the main here. Anything you like for the side dishes, but how about ひじきと水菜のサラダ for one of them, and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!